Zaid wants to open his new bubble gun. Oh, sige na. Open, open. How? Here, here, here. Don't cry. Why crying? Yeah, yeah, we will open. Okay. Yes, yes. Oh, sige, remove. We'll open. Sige. Why crying? Baba, he wants to open by himself. He doesn't want me to touch the gun. Okay, sige na. That's it? Finished? Show Mama, B, where's the gun? The bubble gun. Show Mama. Sige na. That's it. Okay, that's it. Finished? Okay, close. Zaid, I already put 4 batteries on it. Zaid, you want to try, Zaid? Look. We'll give light, And we have to pour first the bubbles here. I mean what's this? A soap, detergent or something. Okay. Only little. We'll try first. Wow! Zaid, look! Wow! Wait. Don't be scared. Wow! Go catch. You want to try? Dip it here, like this. Try, hold, and then pull the trigger. Sige. Anak, here. This one, anak. Sige. Sige, try. Sige, more. Here. This one. Anak, sige. Anak, sige. Sige. Pull the trigger. This one here. Anak, very good. You know it now? Very good. You know it now? Enough na. Oh, very good. And then go to Baba. Show it to Baba. Go to Baba. Sige. Baba, he will show you, Baba. Oh. Dip it again. You know it, Baba. Sige, again. Show to Baba. Sige. He wants to catch at the same time.